you. Good job. You're so smart, boy.
Just push it in the back, Nathan. You can put 2 rows. Push it in the back, baby. Here, this is what you do. Here, go right here. See? Like that. Look what she's doing. Look what she's doing. See? Do what she's doing.
You're so good boy. You're smart. Thank you. Look. You like it? You like it? Okay.
Okay, come on, let's go to the bathroom now.
Your mom call you.